This is the QK65, one of the most anticipated and most popular keyboard in 2022. This is my QK65 build and typing test video. The QK65 is definitely not the first entry board to offer this much at this price point, because the Zoom 65 by Wuchu Studios was introduced slightly earlier. But the QK65 is by QWERTY Keys, and QWERTY Keys is a budget sister company from Owlab, the company that brought us Mr. Suit and Jelly Epoch, which makes QK65 a super anticipated board with super high expectations. And of course, I believe the QK65 has met most of our expectations. Unlike many entry boards we used to have like the Tofu and any KBD entry level boards, this QK65 gave us cool aluminium weights with multiple color options, super nice case color options too, it's gasket mounted, and many more. And then there is the main reason why everybody loved the QK65, it's the sound. The QK65 is said to be a very talky keyboard, and they are right, especially when you include all the foams given. I personally do not like something too talky or too muted, therefore I did not put any case foam, just the plate foam and also the switch pads. And if you're a fan of clacky keyboards, I honestly think you should go for the aluminium plate. Honestly, I think the QK65 is one of the best boards you can get at this price range. But unfortunately, the rerun has just ended, so for those who have not gotten a QK65, we just gotta hope that it comes back for a third rerun. Or you can always buy it at the aftermarket price.